Welcome to our channel Legal Dost. Today, I, Advocate Swati Jaswani, would like to share some informative video about Consumer Protection Act 2019 and the unfair practice of the sellers. There are many such unfair trade practices by the seller which the consumer must know. Like, many of the sellers do not provide cash memos or bill of the services rendered, and some of the sellers nowadays also disclose the information to other consumers about the goods they have sold to the consumer. They also provide some sensitive information which are not to be shared to any other customers by the sellers. The other unfair trade practices which are also nowadays performed by the sellers are false claims of their product which they are selling. When we buy the product and face such issues, the consumer can go to the Consumer Redressal Commission in their district and file a complaint. The complaint can be filed through a portal called eDakhil, in which the consumer shall draft the complaint with a supporting affidavit and the relative documents of the services they have rendered from the sellers. The consumer, after getting these documents, can upload these documents on eDakhil website, after which upload these documents on eDakhil website. We get a case number, after which the consumer can go to the district commission in their locality or in the city and file the documents in person. Today, we will go through with the case. One of my clients bought a watch from Swiss house company, in which my client got a warranty for a year. After purchasing the watch, within 7 months, the watch glass got broke. He again went to the seller and asked for the repair of the damage. The seller denied the repair. My client also asked the service department and told them that the watch is under the warranty, but no resolution was provided to him. After a month, my client was given a tentative affirmation. Watch would be repaired and would be given within 48 hours. But later, when he went, the seller informed that the damage was irreparable. During this, my client also agreed to cover repair costs, but the seller did not give any constructive feedback. Then we filed the case before the Consumer Redressal Commission, in which the seller in its defense told that they already have a declaration and condition in the invoice stating that the goods once sold will not be taken back or exchanged, in which Redressal Commission held that such declaration would constitute unfair trade practices under the Consumer Protection Act 2019, as these declarations indicate that the consumer do not have any recovery or recourse for the damaged product. Moreover, the seller was directed to remove the illegal declaration of goods once sold would not be exchanged or taken back from their cash memos and other invoices and bills. After which, the Department of Legal Metrology and other relevant departments were requested to continuously keep check on the sellers and periodic investigation on sellers to ensure that they comply to the laws and conduct periodic inspection of the sellers to ensure the compliances of the laws. Thank you.